What if I told you, you could earn from YouTube starting today? Not next month. Not after 1,000 subs. Today. Sounds unreal, right? But that's the magic of this new AI-powered business plan. You'll see it unfold right here. Imagine posting your first video tonight, and waking up to see your first $5 already rolling in. Would you believe it? Stay till the end, and you'll know exactly how. Because I'm giving you the exact tool that made me $100. Yep. Watch till the end for the tool that made me $100. Let's start. Have you noticed how some channels explode overnight? 0 subs. 1 upload. Boom, monetized. That's not luck. That's AI strategy. So here's the question. What if AI could design your entire YouTube business plan, content, keywords, thumbnails, revenue, all before you post? That's what I'm showing you. No fluff. Just steps. And by the way, I drop these AI money-making tools every week. If you want to stay ahead, hit subscribe and click that bell. Alright, let's build. Step 1. Find what people already want. You don't start with ideas. You start with data. Open your AI research tool. Type in a broad topic, say, AI productivity. The tool scans YouTube, Reddit, Twitter, TikTok. It finds rising topics. It tells you, what's trending this week? That's your goldmine. For me, it said, AI tools for solopreneurs, perfect. High search volume. Low competition. Monetizable. Step 2. AI scripting. No writer's block. You just feed your topic. Then ask, write a YouTube script that hooks in the first 30 seconds. It gives you structure, pacing, even jokes. You tweak a few lines, done. It sounds natural. It sounds you. I can even learn your voice tone. Add your style once, reuse forever. Step 3. AI video creation. I use Pictory AI for this. You paste your script. Boom, visuals, clips, transitions auto-generate. You can swap scenes instantly. Choose upbeat background music. Add captions automatically. In 10 minutes, you've got a full professional video. No camera. No editing nightmare. Just smart automation. That's your shortcut. But wait, how do you earn from day one? That's step 4, smart monetization. Before uploading, choose a product to mention. Affiliate link, template, or mini course. Drop it in your description. That's your first income stream. I did this on day 1. 1 click. 1 sale. $50 affiliate commission. Plus a $50 ebook sale. Total $100. No ads. No sponsors. Just strategy. The same you can do today. Now, before we dive deeper, like this, subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. Because next week's AI tool might double your revenue. Alright, let's zoom out. This is not a make videos plan. It's a business model. Think of YouTube as your storefront. Videos are your digital products. Each one can earn while you sleep. The difference? AI runs the shop for you. It researches. It scripts. It edits. It posts. It even replies to comments if you let it. The secret is orchestration. You don't do everything. You direct the AI. You guide. It executes. That's leverage. Let's walk through a demo. Step 1. I open an AI topic finder. It says, AI side hustles for 2025. I click generate. It gives me 10 ideas. I pick AI tools to build passive income. Step 2. I ask chat-style AI to write a 5-minute YouTube script. It builds a full outline. Intro. 5 AI tools. Actionable steps. Call to action. Boom, ready. Step 3. I drop that text into Pictory AI. The platform pairs visuals automatically. I preview, swap a few clips. Add voiceover. Adjust timing. Done. Step 4. I copy AI-generated title, description, and tags. Paste into YouTube upload. Step 5. I include 2 affiliate links related to my niche. Step 6. I create shorts clips from the same video using AI. Post those on TikTok and Instagram. They drive traffic to my main video. And the views multiply. That's the funnel. 1 video. Multiple platforms. 1 day. Real income. You're not guessing anymore. You're systemizing. You're using data to decide. Now, let's talk psychology. Why does this work? Because the algorithm loves consistency. And AI helps you stay consistent without burnout. Instead of 2 videos a month, you can do 8. Imagine 8 monetized videos every month. Each one working 24/7. That's passive compounding. That's how creators scale. And you can do it, even if you've never edited before. AI bridges that gap. Think of it like this: AI is your silent team. It's your writer, editor, designer, analyst, all in one. You just lead. And it follows. Still skeptical? Let's address that. What if everyone does this? They won't. Because most people won't apply it. You will. That's your edge. But won't AI make everything the same, only if you let it? Inject your story. Your humor. Your examples. Authenticity amplified by AI. That's unbeatable. What if I'm shy on camera? Perfect. AI narration handles that. You can run full faceless channels. Finance, productivity, motivation, tutorials, all possible. You never appear, yet you earn. That's the future of digital business. Automated creativity. And it starts now. Let's zoom into money again. Income stream 1. Affiliate marketing. Income 2. Digital products. Income 3. YouTube ads once you're eligible. Income 4. Brand deals. Income 5. AI templates or services. Every video you upload is a potential storefront. That's scalable wealth. And you're early. Because right now, AI YouTube channels are booming. Thousands of new viewers daily. But very few optimized creators. You'll be one of them. So let's summarize. Step 1. AI topic research. Step 2. AI scripting. Step 3. AI video creation. Step 4. Smart monetization. Step 5. Cross-platform expansion. And the glue holding it together? Automation. Repeatability. Strategy. You do this once. Then scale infinitely. And remember, start small. 1 video. 1 offer. Then duplicate. Within 30 days, you'll have a mini library of income-producing videos. You're not waiting for ad revenue thresholds. You're creating independent profit from day one. That's power. That's freedom. And it's possible because of AI. So what now? Don't overthink. Pick your topic today. Use AI to map it out. Use Pictory AI to bring it alive. upload it, monetize it, then watch what happens. And if you're serious about turning this into your income system, start now. Don't wait. Because tomorrow, someone else will post the idea you hesitated on. But if you take action tonight, you could wake up to your first $100. Remember, that's exactly how mine started. I made it possible. And now you can too. Tomorrow's upload is the one that changes everything. So don't miss it. Hit that subscribe button right now. Smash the bell icon so you're first when I drop it. Because next time, we're going even deeper. I'll show you how to scale this AI system to $1,000 a week. You don't want to miss that. Drop a comment below, tell me your niche. I reply personally to the first 20 comments. If this video inspired you, give it a like. It helps the channel grow. And it tells me to keep dropping these gems. Now take this blueprint. Build your first video. Use AI. Make it happen. Because if you start today, you'll be ahead of 99% of creators. AI is not the future, it's now. The question is, will you use it or ignore it? I think you already know the answer. You're still watching, that says everything. So go. Execute. Profit. And I'll see you in the next upload.